Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, let's talk about something simple that can make your pumping experience more comfortable: preparing before you use a manual breast pump. Before you begin, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, and make sure every part of your manual breast pump is clean, dry, and properly assembled. Have a clean container or bottle ready to collect your expressed milk. You may also want to keep a glass of water nearby, since staying hydrated is an important part of your daily breastfeeding routine. Take a few slow breaths and try to relax before pumping. Many parents find it helpful to think about their baby or look at a recent photo, which can help create a calm and comfortable environment. Once you're ready, position the breast shield correctly and begin pumping with slow, gentle squeezes. Comfort is important, so adjust the position if needed. A few minutes of preparation can help make every pumping session smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and follow for more breastfeeding and breast pump tips.